In a recent development, Jimmy Adekoya, a former campus pastor and leader of the Redeemed Christian Fellowship (RCF) at Olabisi Onabanjo University (OOU), has sparked controversy on social media following the news of his same-sex wedding in the United States. Mr. Adekoya, who graduated from the OOU, served as a preacher, music director, and a president of RCF before graduating in 2019. Photos of Mr. Adekoya, who holds a master's degree in medical microbiology from the University of Hertford alongside his gay partner, Simos Odonovan, identified as the Y, surfaced online on Friday night. The news, which made rounds online, revealed that the OOU moved abroad and got engaged to his lover. Many had criticized the young man for his choice, especially so since he was a fellowship president. Amidst this, the ex-Redeemed Christian Fellowship president took to social media to react to these backlashes. He noted that his only offense was being a gay man and loving Christ at the same time. "When your only offense is being a gay man who loves Jesus," he wrote. While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to monitor this story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.